I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, November 10th, 2025. The first winter storm of 2025-2026 appeared to surprise many drivers and led to dozens of collisions on the afternoon and evening of Sunday, November 9th. Emergency crews responded to at least 11 collision reports on Highway 401 in the Kingston area between 12 and 5 p.m. Responders were also dispatched to at least 3 collisions on the highway through Loyalist Township, 2 in South Frontenac, and 3 in the Napanee area. Kingston Police are searching for the driver and vehicle that failed to remain at the scene of a collision in downtown Kingston on Friday night around 9 p.m. On Friday, November 7th, a pedestrian was struck by a vehicle on Johnson Street near Albert Street. An on-scene investigation revealed that the suspect vehicle may be a white Toyota Tundra, which will have front-end damage. The 19-year-old victim is currently in critical condition at Kingston General Hospital. Investigators are requesting anyone with information or any dash camera or video footage regarding this incident to please contact Detective Constable Adam Slate at aslate@kingstonpolice.ca. Witness testimony continued last week in the judge-only trial of accused serial rapist and pedophile Michael Haaima. Technological issues didn't stop the trial from proceeding last Tuesday on November 4th, but they did force a change of venue from Courtroom A to Courtroom D at the Frontenac County Courthouse in Kingston. The complainant testified that in 2022, she came to the attention of the police and she agreed to give a video statement, which has been entered into evidence in the ongoing trial, which resumed last week after a 1-month break. Read more at kingstonist.com. A new exhibition at Queen's University examines the environmental and cultural histories of a storied place on Kingston's shoreline, known now as Belle Park. The exhibition, Working Ground, was made with the help of Belle Park Project, which aims to create research and art that explores Belle Park, its complex history, and our connection to it. The exhibition consists of artwork inspired by the park's changing landscape, which are housed in Queen's University's Miller Museum of Geology, creating a dialogue between the geological collections and the artwork. The Miller Museum of Geology is open to the public from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, and Working Ground will be there until August of 2026. Remembrance Day, marked annually on November 11th across Canada and in many countries around the world, is a military memorial day observed since the end of the First World War to honor members of the armed forces who have lost their lives in the line of duty. Here in the Kingston area, thousands will come together at a number of different events, and we've collected information on the ceremonies and events occurring in Kingston and the area. Read more at what's available at kingstonist.com. And while you're there, use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.